Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing good. So there I was searching for an exhaust for the Z. Literally for ever since I got the Z, I've already been looking at what exhaust to get. So I've been doing a lot of research. At first I wanted to get an axle back just because it is a true dual and I kind of wanted to keep the true dual exhaust. I could have gotten something else like a Greddy, right? But I've always wanted the specific exhaust ever since I even got the Z. It's just always stood out to me. And I think you know what I'm talking about.
Tomei. It's a bump though. I'm not trying to get kicked out. Well, not yet. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I think you guys know what's about to happen. So I went ahead and bought our Tomei, and since the Nismos do have a true dual, you gotta spend even more money on a Y pipe. So I went ahead and bought our Y pipe too. And yeah, I hope it sounds good. I hope you like it. And yeah, I can't wait to put it on. Yo, the sticker. Can't go wrong with that. We ended up just getting a Z1 Y pipe. Honestly, for the price, you really can't beat it because I would like to get a Tomei Y pipe, but for like another grand, I don't think so. That's not happening. Yeah, this is gonna be really loud. This box is why most of you guys are watching this video. We have the Tomei itself, the Canon. This is what it's gonna make my neighbors really mad. I'm gonna unwrap all of these later. I kind of just want to get it out of the box because I still need to pull a car in. Honestly, the only reason I bought this is because of these. I just wanted the license plate cover and all of these stickers. It also comes with all of the hardware, so even has a silencer. I'm really like excited to try out the silencer because sometimes I leave at like 2, 3 in the morning and I'm not trying to get like murdered out here, so. So right now we're just gonna take all the bolts out, take the stock exhaust out, and then we're gonna put our new exhaust together. So we got our handy dandy jack here to help us hold this up. I'm just gonna loosen up all the bolts and hopefully we won't have troubles just pulling everything out. All right, so we have the whole stock exhaust out now. We're just gonna put these together. Yo, look how good this thing looks. It's so crazy. I can't believe I have a Tomei right now. We got our Y pipe right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the Y pipe in and we'll put the Tomei in and we should be done. We're just gonna get some clips, drive around, see how it sounds. I got the Tomei in there. I got the fitment that I wanted. However, I didn't really get to have it stick out as much as I wanted to. I'm just gonna figure out later because I have work today. But we got our Tomei here all the way back and our Y pipe is also in. Everything is good. I already tightened everything up. Yeah, we're just gonna start it up right now and see how it sounds. I'm excited. Hopefully we're good to go. I don't want to have to worry about like any exhaust leaks or anything, so let's see. But it actually, look how it's already like calmed down though.
Yeah.
That is so crazy. It sounds so good though. Oh my god. Just want to show you guys what it looks like underneath. It's definitely hanging low, so I'm actually kind of scared. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Yeah, this is it being low too. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, that's so crazy. That's like you just have to drop down if you want to be quiet.
Wow, that is.
Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh my god. I was expecting it to be like obnoxious all the way like even just cruising. This sounds really good. Just cruising, it's really good. And when you give it a go, it sounds really good, at least in the inside. Maybe outside it sounds really bad, but I doubt it. It has like a very even tone all the way. It sounds so good. We're doing a pull and it just falls off.
It's just hella clinky. We're like, oh shit.
Oh, not the cop.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. Oh. You guys see what's coming up right now, right? Alright guys, so that's all we're gonna have for today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you guys want to see any type of videos at all, please comment them down below so I can make them for you guys. If you have any questions at all, please comment them down below so I can get back with you. We have a lot of new subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that supports the channel. You guys are really the best. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It's really nice to finally have an exhaust on the car. I feel like I've been talking about it for such a long time, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna have a lot of content coming up for you guys, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you guys in our next video. Stay safe. Bye.